Hello. Welcome back to English Speaking Practice. On this channel, we learn English through real stories. Today's story is called At the Hotel. You will follow two friends, Cooper and Sofia. In this video, you will learn hotel words, useful phrases, and one very important question. A question you can use every day in shops, in restaurants, in hotels, everywhere. Today's question: what does Sofia teach Cooper to say when he wants to ask about the price of something? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. Write your answer in the comments below. All right, let's check into today's story. Let's begin.
Sofia, this hotel is very beautiful.
It is nice, right? Come on, we need to check in.
Check in? What does that mean?
When you arrive at a hotel, you go to the reception and give your name. You tell them you are here. That is called checking in.
And reception? What is that?
Reception is the front desk. Can you see it? Over there, where the staff are standing.
Oh, yes, I can see it. Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome. How can I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation. The name is Sophia Chen.
Let me check. Yes, I can see your booking. 2 nights, 2 single rooms.
That's right. Thank you.
Sofia, what is a reservation?
A reservation is a booking. Before we came here, I went online and reserved our rooms, so the hotel knows we are coming.
Oh, so reservation means you planned it before.
Exactly. Well done.
Here are your room keys. Room 204 and room 206. The lift is on your right.
Room key. So this card opens my room?
Yes, that's correct. Just tap it on the door and it will open.
Wow, that is very modern. Thank you.
You are learning the words very fast, Cooper.
I am trying. Reception, check-in, reservation, room key. I will remember them. Sofia, look, there's a swimming pool here.
Yes, nice, isn't it? This hotel has a lot of facilities.
I want to use the pool, but I don't know if we have to pay. How do I ask?
Great question, Cooper. This is very useful. Listen carefully. You say, how much does it cost? Or you can say the name of the thing. How much does the pool cost? You hear me? Try it.
How much does the pool cost?
Perfect. That was excellent, Cooper. Now, why don't you go and ask at reception by yourself?
By myself? Okay, yes, I can do this. Hello, excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
How much does the swimming pool cost?
The pool is included in your stay, sir. It is free for guests.
Oh, included. So I don't pay extra?
That's right. Enjoy the pool.
Thank you very much.
Important tip. The key phrase Sofia teaches. How much does it cost? You can also say, how much does the pool cost? How much does breakfast cost? How much does the room cost? This phrase asks about the price of anything. It is polite and very useful.
Sofia, the pool is free. It is included.
I heard you. You did it completely by yourself. I am proud of you.
The phrase works. How much does it cost? And she told me everything.
That phrase will work everywhere, Cooper. At a shop, at a market, at a cafe, anytime you want to ask the price of something.
Really? So I can say, how much does this shirt cost at a shop?
Exactly. Or, how much does a coffee cost? You already understand it perfectly.
Sophia, look at that sign. It says, dinner rate, 25 pounds per person.
Yes, that means dinner costs 25 pounds for each person.
I see. So rate means price.
Yes, very good. Rate means the price. We use it in hotels and in business. Also, do you see per person? That means for each person. You and me, we pay 25 pounds each.
Okay, I understand. And per night, I saw that on the hotel website, 90 pounds per night.
Exactly. Per night means the price for one night, so 2 nights equals 180 pounds.
Right. Okay, I will order now. I want to try.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I want the chicken, and how much does it cost to have a big bottle of water?
The water is 3 pounds, sir.
Okay, and is the bread included?
The bread? Yes, sir. The bread comes with the meal. It is complimentary.
Complimentary? Sophia, complimentary. Is that a compliment? The bread is saying nice things to me?
No, Cooper. Complimentary does not mean a compliment. In a restaurant or hotel, complimentary means free. It is a gift from the hotel or restaurant.
Oh, so complimentary equals free. The bread is free.
Yes, the two words look similar, compliment and complimentary, but they mean different things. Easy to confuse.
That is a trick. English has many tricks.
It does, but now you know. You will not forget this.
Sophia, I have a question. In my country, when I go to a hotel, I sometimes talk about the price. Can I ask for a lower price in British hotels?
That is a great question, Cooper, and the answer is sometimes yes, but you need to be polite and careful.
So I can ask, but I cannot argue about the price.
Exactly. Do you have any special rates? Is perfectly polite. Just remember to smile.
Important tip. In the UK, it is not common to bargain or negotiate prices in hotels and shops. The price on the sign is usually the final price. However, you can politely ask, "Do you have any special rates? Is there a discount for longer stays? Do you offer any deals at the moment?" This is friendly and polite, not rude, but if the answer is no, say thank you and accept it.
Good. I will remember that. Sophia, let me try to remember all the words from today.
Go on then.
Okay. First, reception. That is the front desk. Then, check-in. That is when you arrive and give your name. Reservation is a booking you made before. Room key is the card for your door. Per night is the price for one night. Included means you don't pay extra. Rate is the price. And complimentary means free, not a compliment.
That is incredible, Cooper. Every single word. Perfect.
And my favorite phrase, how much does it cost? I can use it everywhere.
Yes, you can. You are not just learning English, Cooper. You are using it. That's the difference.
This trip is the best English class I have ever had, and we still have one more day.
Tomorrow may be the spa, and you can ask, how much does it cost?
How much does the spa cost? Let's go.
And just like that, Cooper went from confused to confident. He checked in, he asked about the price, he even discovered what complimentary means. And now, so did you. So let me ask you something. Today's challenge. In the comments below, write one sentence using today's key phrase. How much does it cost? Write your answer. Something you want to buy, eat, or do. It can be anything. Writing in English, even one sentence, makes your English stronger every time. And here is a small tip before you go. Next time you travel, or even next time you are in a shop, try to use today's words. How much does it cost is one of the most useful questions in the English language. Simple, polite, powerful. You've got it now. On English speaking practice, every video is a journey. A new place, new words. Real English for real life. If today's video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more stories like this one, subscribe. English speaking practice. I'll see you in the next story. Until then, keep going, keep learning. You are doing great. Bye for now.